Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Scorching heat and no water supply. Common men distressed over shortage of water. Ex-MGP stalwarts condemn Davlikar's statement on not taking senior leaders back to the party. Talks fail. Joki says Nusi Hospital to close from tomorrow. North succeeds in its mission. Shah Rukh Khan not to smoke in South Africa again. And defending champions Goa Open Under-21 National Football Championship with a 12-0 hammering of Bihar. Now the news in detail. Acute water shortage has once again struck common man in Goa. In many parts of the state, taps have started providing water for less than 2 hours a day. This water shortage is happening at the time when temperatures are also rising high in Goa. However, PWD says that there is rise in demand for water because of hot climate. But people must use water judiciously.
Supply of water is minimal in many towns in Goa. People are getting water for hardly 2 hours a day. Water is used for domestic as well as industrial use. But this summer it's at short supply. For Afsara Khan, it's a nightmare to see her water taps running dry. Sometimes she says water does not come even for 2 days. She is left with only one option: store the water in buckets and cans and use it for daily purpose.
किती तास पाणी येतो?
पाणी फक्त 2 तास. सकाळी कधी 6 वाजता, कधी 5:30 वाजता, कधी येत पण नाही. पाणीचं भयंकर त्रास आहे.
आणि बावडीमध्ये पाणी
बावडी काय आता काय लोकांनी काय केलं आहे, आपलं कव्हर करून घेतलेलं आहे. तर कोणाकडे जायला पाहिजे, थोडा रिक्वेस्ट करायला पाहिजे, पाणी द्या तरी द्या. ते पण काय नंतर त्यांच्याही आहे, इकडे घाण करू नको तिकडे. मग पाणीचा भयंकर त्रास आहे हो.
Women are forced to walk long places to get the water because of the dry taps.
हय केन्ना केन्ना येता केन्ना केन्ना ना. केन्ना बारीक पडटा, बारीक पडला उदकूच पावना. उदक ना जाल्यार हांगा थंय भोंवता न्ही. हय त्रास जाता उदकाचे आमकां.
In such painful times, wells are the only source of water for many. Besides women, children too fetch the water under scorching sun.
गिमाचा आमकां खूब प्रॉब्लेम जाता. रातचें उदक येना आनी आमकां बांयचें येता पडटा. इतलें वत आसतना जायना आमचें.
At this time, water tanker owners are doing brisk business. One of the tanker owners told our reporter off the camera that they sell water mostly to builders and hoteliers. And yes, they make good money. However, PWD has different story to tell. They say people must use water judiciously. They say there is rise in water demand by 15 to 20% due to hot summer. A senior PWD official told a reporter off the camera that they are also planning a program for people to understand the importance of water and how to use it judiciously. Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar, and video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Ex-MGP members have strongly criticized the statement of Transport Minister Sudhin Davlikar that MGP doesn't want senior MGP members back in the party.
Speaking to Prudent Media, ex-MGP MLA and currently a Congress leader, Dr. Kashinath Zalmi strongly criticized Davlikar for opposing senior leaders joining MGP. He also explained why Davlikar is opposing senior leaders joining party.
म्हाका खूब लोकांनी म्हगोच्या पदाधिकारी म्हाका संपर्क घातला आनी म्हाका विनंती केला म्हगोडया म्हणून. हांव म्हाजी सुशेगाद कळटा जो पर्यंत असले लोक जे आसा तांकां पक्ष म्हणजे आपल्या बापाची जागीर जी दिसता ते लोक पर्यंत जो पर्यंत मुगो आहा तो पर्यंत मुगोचें कांय कल्याण जावपाचें ना. हे ढवळीकार बंदून दिसता की दुसरे जर कोणी लोक पक्षांत येयले तर तांची पक्षावी पकड जाय ढेरी घातली तांच्या हातीन कांय उरचें ना. दोग जाण तीग जाण चौगाण जे येयले की ना ते मागीर लेडर आपूण अशें म्हणून मिरोवपाचें. आणि गव्हर्नराक कोणी पत्र दिवपाक मेळटा. आपलो कोण सरकार फॉर्म करता तांकां आमच्या पाठिंबा आसा म्हणून. आनी फक्त आज इतलो मुख्य पक्ष लाचार आहा तितलो ह्या केन्नाच नाशिल्लो.
While MGP drama continued in the state, ex-MGP president and present Congress spokesperson Advocate Ramakant Khalap appealed to the youths to come forward in politics for the betterment of the state. He also assured his full support to those youths willing to bring revolution in politics.
On my own, I would say that time has come for the youth of Goa, particularly because they are the future, to come forward with a vehement determination to root out corruption in public life. to root out the use of muscle power in elections, to root out the use of money in elections. Will anybody stand against that? Will the youth of Goa get together and do it? I am waiting for that day. And if that happens, I will be with such elements, such youngsters who are driven by an ideology, who are driven by, propriety in politics, cleanliness in politics, absence of criminal elements in politics. This is what is required. I appeal to the youth of Goa. Do that. And let's go forward.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with reporter Sham Sundar Fatte and video journalist Yashwant Parab for Prudent Media.
The MLA of Kunkodi, Joki Alema, along with Nusi workers had given an ultimatum to Nusi Hospital to recall the staff till 4 o'clock on 2nd May. The deadline ended and management of Nusi Hospital did not decide anything on the matter. So as per the ultimatum, Jokim has said that Nusi Hospital will not be allowed to function from 3rd May.
These are the employees of Nusi Hospital who were sacked from their jobs. They all got united to fight against the alleged injustice done to them, and hence they came to resolve their issue with the hospital management. Earlier, these employees had served them an ultimatum to take the workers back on duty by 2nd May, but there was no response from the management. Kunkoli MLA and Urban Development Minister Joki Alema also supported these employees and was captured in a heated argument with the management.
75 people have resigned.
We are not come. That 75 people, that is their problem.
Yeah.
These people, they are not fulfilled their thing. You don't talk about 75 people.
You don't.
Please.
Because you are taking them.
You are done the same agreement. 75 people. Show me how much money increase for 2-3 ladies here.
What money increase?
I know. You don't know. Then you don't speak.
Yeah. What money increase?
He knows. He knows.
Yeah. What settlement you have given? I know.
What? How you?
2 years you have given more than.
More money. Shut up. You don't know.
What do you know?
They have got settlement.
You shut up. You don't know how much.
Settlement $50. 12 years they have worked. And for 2 years they 1 lakh.
Now that the management is firm on their decision, Joki Alema informed that the hospital will be closed by 3rd May.
All this, let me tell you, I'm telling you, your future, you come here in this hospital. What? Send a message and telling people how Joki Alema can keep them? I'll share my blood, let me very clear. And I'll see that these people will be there, otherwise your hospital will never open. This is my challenge, and it's all for reporter. This is my challenge. And I'll show you your Dr. Jason, how he is.
Our reporter in Kunkori, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Watch Dr. Shekhar Sarkar determined to put a ban on smoking during matches and mysteries of the universe on World Astronomy Day. Keep watching Prudent Media.